Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to mark a communities as read on WhatsApp web on PC. With the new update, staying organized and up to date with your messages has never been easier. Let's dive into the steps. First, open web.whatsapp.com on your PC and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your communities on the left side of the screen. Next, click on the channels icon to view all of your communities at once. This makes it easier to find the specific community you want to mark as read. Now, scroll through the list of communities and find the one you want to mark as read. Once you've located it, hover over the community and click on the downward arrow icon, V, that appears, or simply right-click on the community. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the Mark as Read option. This action will mark all the messages in that community as read, helping you keep track of your conversations more effectively. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily mark a community as read on WhatsApp web on your PC. Stay organized and on top of your messages with just a few clicks. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.